Spartans, get to the end here. Day 28, Coach Cambio, Spartan 30 squats. We've been working on our single leg, our pistol progression for those that are interested in that. Here's a way to kind of get to that next level. I got a couple different heights here. Now this can be a tree, a stump in the woods. It could be a step stool at home. It could be a chair at home. It could be anything. I stacked up a few a few plates. And what I'm going to do is show you a couple different depths. So you're going to see where I'm at. This is about, I'm going to hit my probably level that I'm at today. And that's what I'm going to keep working on until I can get better than what you see from me today. So today, single leg, pistol squat progression, sitting on something and standing up. Very simple. So I'll go from the side first so you can see this. Okay? I'm sitting down, extend the leg. Definitely want this leg extended today. Okay, we went from the floor yesterday. Before that, holding on to something and just stand up. Okay, that's all it is. Okay, sit down, stand up. Sit down, stand up. That's 3. I got 27 more. Spartans, this is about my limit. I'll work on the next level down for a center block for me. Tomorrow, Coach Kathy's coming at you live. Hashtag Coach Cambio, hashtag Spartan 30. Aroo.